Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up branch, series, and item-wise budgets in billing in Logic ERP. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu, then go to the Party-wise Settings section and open the Branch plus Party plus Series plus Period plus Item-wise Budget for Sales window. First, select the appropriate entry type, then choose the branch for which you want to define the budget. After that, select the relevant billing series and items. Specify the month for which the budget is being created. Next, enter the budget quantity along with the variance percentage. The variance percentage provides flexibility by allowing the system to accept sales beyond the defined budget limit, meaning if a certain percentage is set, the system will permit an increase in quantity up to that limit. Once all details are entered, save the configuration, and you can then switch to entry mode to review and verify the defined budget details. Now, proceed to the Sales Bill window and initiate a new transaction in the same series for which the budget was defined. Select the item and enter a quantity exceeding the defined budget, then try to save the bill. As you can see, the software prompts a window displaying a list of items whose quantity exceeds the defined budget quantity. Now, reduce the quantity to within the allowed limit, for example, 20, and save the voucher. The system will allow it. Next, create another voucher of same item. Try entering an additional 5 quantity. The software will restrict this entry. However, if you enter only 2 additional quantity, the system will allow it due to the defined variance percentage.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.